Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sync leads into HubSpot from a no-code form. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Forms section in the main menu. Click on Forms to see a list of your existing forms. If you haven't created a form yet, click on the Create Form button. Select the type of form you want to use. Customize your form by adding fields like name, email, and phone number. Once you finish editing, save your form. Now, copy the embed code provided for your form. Open the platform where you want to integrate the no-code form. Paste the embed code into the appropriate section of your website or app. Next, go back to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Workflows section under the Automation tab. Click on Create Workflow to start a new automation process. Choose a Start from Scratch option. Set the trigger for the workflow to be when a new submission is received from your form. Select the form you created earlier as the trigger. Once you've set your trigger, click on Add Action. In the Action menu, choose Create a Contact. This ensures all form submissions sync correctly into HubSpot. After finishing the setup, review the workflow settings. Finally, click on Turn On to activate your workflow. Your no-code form is now set up to sync leads directly into HubSpot. Monitor the submissions in the HubSpot dashboard to verify the sync is working properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.